Personal Credit Builder Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Personal Credit Builder and recommended credit repair tools are in the description below. Personal Credit Builder is a comprehensive credit repair solution focused on helping individuals take full control of their credit restoration process through education, automation, and actionable tools. Designed primarily for self-motivated individuals who want to manage their own credit repair without relying on expensive agencies, this platform combines step-by-step guidance with customizable dispute tools and real-time credit insights. Key features include a structured credit repair roadmap, pre-written and fully editable dispute letter templates, credit bureau contact info, and a tracker to monitor the status of each dispute. The system also provides detailed training modules that cover credit law, dispute strategies, and how to read and understand your credit report, making it especially valuable for users who want to not just fix their credit, but truly understand how it works. Personal Credit Builder is ideal for people recovering from credit damage due to financial hardship, identity theft, or past mistakes, and who prefer a hands-on, low-cost alternative to traditional credit repair services. One of its major strengths is transparency. You know exactly what actions are being taken, and you're in full control of every dispute and update. It also doesn't require a monthly subscription, which makes it more affordable in the long run compared to ongoing credit repair services. However, it's not fully automated, and there's no live credit advisor on call, so it may not be the best fit for those looking for a completely done-for-you service. Also, while the learning curve is manageable, it still requires time and effort to follow through. That said, for anyone who wants to repair credit the right way, legally, efficiently, and with full personal involvement, Personal Credit Builder offers excellent value. It's one of the best DIY-focused tools on the market for building long-term credit habits while fixing past issues. If you're serious about rebuilding your credit and want a tool that empowers rather than just automates, check the links in the description and see if Personal Credit Builder is right for you.